action called? Or government remove them, or people go from dangerous place to a safe place? It's called evacuation. Evacuation. It's called evacuation. Right? Evacuation is a noun. This is the noun. Going to a dangerous, safe place from a dangerous place. Evacuate is the verb. Evacuate is the verb. Government says, government urges people to evacuate from their areas. Okay, so you got low-lying areas, river basin, flood-prone areas, evacuation. Next one, now, how to say deaths happen due to disaster? Deaths caused by a disaster. Disaster fatality. Disaster fatality. Deaths caused by a disaster. Maybe this disaster or any other disaster we call disaster fatality. Next one. Okay, you got it. You can write these words because these are important. New words. Right? Next one. Number of deaths. How do you say? Number of deaths. Number of deaths. Death toll. Death toll. Death toll. Right? Okay. Next one. The flood situation එක වැඩි වෙනවා. You can tell in different ways. How do you say? Flood situation එක වැඩි වෙනවා. How do you say? You know how to say that.
Flood situation increase.
Yes. Flood situation increases. Or flood situation develops. Or else these days the news says flood situation will actually not like will or is increasing. Is developing or is intensifying. Flood situation is intensifying. Flood situation is intensifying. Intensify, we call that very. Like intensifiers, we call very. Very is like very beautiful. That's an intensifier. That means it develop the quality of an adjective. So this is intensify mean increase. But you can't say the price intensifies. We don't use price increases. But a situation, some kind of a situation, you can say intensify. Right? Okay. Can we say flood situation improves? Can we say flood situation is improving? Can we say flood situation is improving?
No,
No. Why? If no, why?
because it is just a thing.
Hmm, no. Okay, improve mean it improves in a good way. Like your English is improving. That means it's a good thing, right? But flood situation improving means is it a good thing? No, right? It's a bad thing. So we use improve to talk about something increasing in a good way. So we can't say flood situation is improving because we can say her health condition is improving. That means a good thing. Yes, that means her health condition has increased. Good, in a good way. But improve we use for good things. Increase in a good way. But bad things we don't use improve. That's the reason. Right. Okay. Mahawali oya mitiyawata. How do you say? Mahawali oya mitiyawata. Mahawali Valley, right? Kalani Valley. Kalani Valley train service valley is Mitiyawata. I think that's the Sinhala word Mitiyawata. Anyways, the river and the lowline area is valley, right? Or else there's a hill and the down there is a valley.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
Uh, what is a what is a river base that you have described before? That means like you told
River basin.
you told
River basin.
basing
I think
you told it like a Sinhala way. I didn't
yeah,
understand, teacher.
I think in Sinhala, I heard in the news, Droniya, that's where your all the water collects. River basin. You can find it's in Sinhala news, they call Ganga Droniya. But I'm not sure whether it's the very correct word. But in Sinhala, they call it මල්වතු ඔය ගංගා ද්‍රෝණිවල ඉන්න වැසියන්ට අයින් වෙන්න කියනවා. So the news, I mean, English news comes river basin. The people who live near Malwatu river basin, right? So Droni is like, at the river, like where river, if the river floods, then you will be affected if you are in the river basin. But this is not a scientific, geographical definition you can find. You can find a river basin, type river, let me type river basin. The English definition is the area of land where all the water flows into one river. The area of land where all the water flows into one river. So basically this surrounding, and if the river gets flooded, if the river floods, then you are affected if you are in the river basin, right? That's very common word these days on news, right? And next one, okay. How do you say Ratu Nivedana? Ratu Nivedana නිකුත් කරනවා. How do you say?
Red notice.
Yeah, red notice or red alerts. News comes at red alerts. Red alerts have been, or red alert has been issued. Mahavali Ganga අසල ඉන්න අයට. How do you say? You can say this. Red notice, red alerts issue කරලා තියෙනවා Mahavali Ganga අසල ඉන්න අයට. You can make it in simple English.
Red alert has been issued people who are living near the Mahavali river.
Who are living near, who are living Mahavali River. Yes, that is right. Issued to people. Issued to people who are living, mean actually they are living now. That's okay, but let's make it they usually live, like it's your home, right? So then you usually live there, your residence. Then you are, if you are residence near a river, then you usually live there, so you will live. Or who are living also at the moment, if you are living, that's also okay. Who live near Mahavali River. Yes, that's all. But in the news, it comes red alert has been issued to people who live in the vicinity of Mahavali River. So in the vicinity mean close to Mahavali River, right? So these are very, that's how news comes. So you better learn these things. In the vicinity of Mahavali River. Right. Next one. Dead bodies පහක් හොයාගත්තා. How do you say? Dead bodies පහක් හොයාගත්තා.
Five dead bodies has found.
Yes. 5 dead bodies. Dead bodies ඇවිල්ලා මුකුත් හොයාගත්තේ නැහැ. They didn't find anything. Dead bodies, people, it should be passive voice, right? Dead bodies, people or army or government found dead bodies. So it should be passive voice, were found. Okay. In the news, it says 5 dead bodies were recovered. So recover has several meanings. You say you recover mean I had fever, I recovered. That's also one meaning. And if somebody has a loan, the bank is trying to recover the loan, right? Or if somebody is missing, so if you find dead bodies, so dead bodies, you recover dead bodies, right? Okay. How do you say 12 people 12 people are missing? So right, in news it says 12 people are unaccounted. This is informal. So of course, you can say 12 people are missing, but in the news sometimes comes 12 people are uncounted. Okay. We say බස් එකක හිර වෙලා ඉන්නවා. How do you say? බස් එකක් ඇතුලේ මිනිස්සු හිර වෙලා ඉන්නවා. How do you say? People are trapped inside or in a bus or inside a bus. People are trapped in inside a bus. Okay, those are the main things I want to teach you. Right. Yeah. Okay, shall we make this news item? Okay, did you write or did you write these words for your studies?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, okay, right. Now, let's translate this, right? අත්තනගලු ඔය සහ උරුවෙල් ඔය මිටියාවත්වල මහා ගංවතුර තත්ත්වයක් ඇතිවිය හැක. ලෙස අත්තනගලු ඔයේ පහත් මිටියාවත් ප්‍රදේශවල මහා ගංවතුර තත්ත්වයක්. Now, you may have heard this, right? In the news today, මහා ගංවතුර තත්ත්වයක් ඇතිවිය හැක. මහා ගංවතුර තත්ත්වය we call a major flood situation. සුළු ගංවතුර තත්ත්වය a minor flood situation. Right. So translate this. අත්තනගලු ඔයේ පහළ මිටියාවත්වල ඒ ප්‍රදේශවලට මහා ගංවතුර තත්ත්වයක් ඇතිවිය හැක. You can use the verb occur. Right. You can make ඇතිවිය හැක.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah, Chameli?
The teacher, what do you call oya in English?
Oya. That's Oya, right? That's the name. Attanagalu Oya is the name.
Teacher,
Yeah, Kitnali?
there is a major flood situation occurring near the Attanoya Valley.
Yeah, there is a major flood situation occurring
Near the Attanoya Valley areas.
Give me 1 second. sorry, right. There's a major flood situation occurring near Attanagalu Oya. Okay, right. Attanagalu Oya Valley, right?
near Attanagadu Valley areas.
Right, okay. Any other?
Tisha, can I?
Yeah,
It could occur a major flood situation in Attanagalu Oya Valley.
it could occur a major flood situation. It could occur a major flood situation. Tamili?
A major flood situation in Attanagalu Oya Valley.
In Attanagalu Valley. Okay, right. Yeah, this all, okay, this one, there is a major flood situation. That means the flood situation is already there. There is a chair in front of me. There is a picture behind me. That means the picture is already there. So there is, I mean, you know, right, how to use there is there. So there is there, I mean, that is already there. We expect. So we activate hacker, right? It could occur, yes. That's polite English, but it means, yeah, okay. But best thing, okay. I will tell you the exact news item, how it came. This is how you learn English, right? Don't worry. This is your English is right, but we will learn better English by learning news, right? Okay. So it came, news item came, a major flood situation may occur in the low-lying areas of Attanagalu Oya Valley, right? The low-lying areas mean the lands which can get filled with water easily. So this is how the may occur. We are not 100% sure. Ativia hacker. Right? Okay. Next one. Okay. මිලිමීටර් 200ට වැඩි වර්ෂාපතනයක් ගොඩක් ප්‍රදේශවල දිවයිනේ ගොඩක් ප්‍රදේශවලින් ඉදිරි පැය 24 තුළ බලා ඇතිවෙයි අපේක්ෂා කරයි. මිලිමීටර් 200ට වඩා වැඩි වර්ෂාපතනයක් ඉදිරි පැය 24 තුළ දිවයිනේ බොහෝ ප්‍රදේශවලින් අපේක්ෂා කරයි. ඉදිරි පැය 24 තුළ මිලිමීටර් 200ට වඩා වැඩි වර්ෂාපතනයක් දිවයිනේ බොහෝ ප්‍රදේශවලින් වාර්තා අපේක්ෂා කරයි.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I?
Yeah.
Oncoming 24 hours, a
Wait.
rainfall
Wait.
more than
Yeah. Read slowly. Oncoming 24 hours.
a rainfall
Rainfall.
more than 200 millimeters
Hmm.
will be expected
Hmm. Will be expected, right? Okay. Any other ideas? Sandaru, Chamiti, Javindu,
it
Chamini? Yeah.
expected up to 200 millimeters in many places in upcoming 24 hours.
It expected up to 200 millimeter.
In many places in upcoming 24 hours.
Right. Any other?
Can I?
Yeah.
More than 200 millimeters heavy thunder showers are expected from many areas in the island in upcoming 24 hours.
Thunder shower.
Thunder showers are expected from many areas
Hmm.
in the island in upcoming 24 hours.
Right. All sentences are good. Right? Okay. We'll make it this one in the next 24 hours or during next 24 hours. Rainfall more than, yes, or else generally the news item comes to rainfall above 200 millimeters or over 200 millimeters will be expected. It expected. You can say rainfall expect. Rainfall up to 200 millimeters mean up only 200 millimeters. It doesn't exceed. Rainfall above or over, or you can say exceeding 200 millimeters will be expected. We expect rain, so rain is expected in many places in upcoming 24 hours or in the next 24 hours or during next 24 hours. Right. This one more than, yes, more than you can use 200 millimeters heavy thunder showers. Thunder showers mean gigurum sahita vesi. But we don't, now these days, we don't receive thunder showers. We receive only heavy showers, right? Heavy showers are expected from many areas in the upcoming 24 hours, right? So the real news item came heavy rainfalls exceeding, or you can use above or over 200 millimeters will occur or will be expected, will occur in many areas during next 24 hours. During mean ඉදිරි පැය 24 තුල. Right? Okay. Uh, මිනිස්සු 20 දෙනෙක් බේරගත්තා. හමුදාව විසින්. How do you say? මිනිස්සු 20 දෙනෙක් බේරගත්ත හමුදාව විසින්. Rescue. The word is rescue. 20 people were rescued by army. Last one. මිනිසුන්ට තරයේ කියා සිටිනවා ඒ ප්‍රදේශවලින් අයින් වෙන්න කියලා. මිනිසුන්ට තරයේ කියා සිටිනවා ඒ ප්‍රදේශවලින් අයින් වෙන්න කියලා. Can you make it? Or shall I write? Say, people are strongly advised to evacuate. Or else you can say, people are urged. Urge means තරයේ කියasna. People are urged. These are මිනිස්සුන්ට advice කරනවා. Not that මිනිස්සු advice කරනවා. Right? So this is passive voice. People are urged to evacuate. Right? Okay. Now let's do the items. Next one, I forgot to tell you. Now we said our area is flooded. News item, it says our area is inundated. The Southern Expressway is inundated. Inundated. You can say flooded. Inundated is more formal. That's how you can use that word as well. And also, not only, let's say, you have a restaurant and you have so many orders. Then you can say, we are inundated with orders. We are inundated. That's also you can say. You can use for flooding. The area is inundated. The Southern Expressway is inundated. Or else, like a restaurant or shop, you can say we are inundated with, that means we have reached the maximum level. We have exceeded the maximum number of orders we can take. Inundated. In terms of a restaurant or something, you can say, let's say the students are inundated, like we are inundated with students. This class is inundated with students. That means we have exceeded the number of or we have reached the maximum number of students that we can take, like that. Okay, let's go to the item. So all rain disaster related items today. We have only 3, right? Doesn't matter. Right. Others can't come because of this disaster. But I will send them the recording. Okay. You have to make an announcement. Most of the items are today announcement. You have to make an announcement and tell people that your area, maybe Colombo, maybe Attanagaluoya low-lying areas, or Kalani Valley low-lying areas, or Nilwala Ganga low-lying areas. there's a red alert. Government has issued red alert for your area and ask them to evacuate the place. Just inform them that red alert has been issued to this area and people in the area are advised to evacuate. Make a TV like announcement, in the sense you speak on TV, right? Let's say what you call the news, what do you call
Breaking news.
breaking news? Yes. So make a breaking news. You are the TV presenter. Not today, like breaking news is not like news readers. They come on TV, presenters come on TV and they really talk to you all, talk to the audience, talk to the spectators. They talk in a very cautious way, and so not like just looking at a paper and they read. So they are really talking to people. You have to be vigilant. Please don't wait till last minute. Please don't wait. Evacuate. So talk to the people that government has issued red notice and evacuate. Okay. So key areas you have to talk about: the red alert issued by the weather department, and the area. You have to mention the area and say evacuate. You can make the notice.